jumper and my jacket.
Hello everybody, so we're here in Salento in Colombia and we just arrived here last night. We got a plane from Medellin, which was actually the quickest plane I've ever been on, maybe like half an hour. And yeah, we're just up in the mountains, people here are really nice, and we're going to a ganja cafe, and I'm with Liam and Gabby. Liam and Gabby, say hi.
Hello.
Introduce yourselves.
I'm Gabriella. I've known Drew since first year of university.
And
I'm
Liam.
Liam B, 1, 2, 3. Come and see me and Drew Wiley.
Hey!
I'm also a bit red because I caught the sun. I know, I wasn't wearing sun cream. But the sun's not really been out, so...
But you should always wear SPF.
Shut up.
Oi! I'm just giving you good advice. Do you want to be wrinkly and old? You're a mean, mean boy, Drew. Mean boy.
I don't mind getting a little ice cream or something.
Yeah, we should.
Muchísimas gracias. Ciao.
¿Está rico? Hola. Gracias, hasta luego. Qué rico. It's maracuya, which is passion fruit, and I added chocolate y coco. So this is the main square of Salento, a town that only has a population of around 10,000. There's a lot of palm trees, there's a church, and it is very stunning. Tourist vibes, but it's very cute. I mean, I love the colours of the buildings. Viva Mexico! Hola, guapa. Wow.
Nice to be made to feel a bit fucking hard.
It smells so nice.
It does smell beautiful. I wish I could jar it up and let you smell it.
I only followed the... Hola. Looks just like the Yorkshire Dales.
What a greenery, mate.
The Yorkshire Dales.
Wow.
Just stopped by Leeds, you know.
Hey. Gabby.
Hola.
Say hey.
Hey.
¿Cómo están vacas?
Hola.
¿Quieres comerlo?
Sí. Muy bueno.
The hawk on high, the hawk on high, the hawk on high and the smiling face, the face in the cloud, the face in the cloud. Guys, look at this face in the cloud.
That's sick. You even got a nose as well.
Yeah, nose, eyes.
And there.
Squidward.
Can you say that again?
There's a storm coming, Harry, and we best be ready when she does.
Buenos dias. So we just arrived at the start of the Cocora Valley and we got a jeep here which took like half an hour from Salento. And yeah, we're just gonna start the hike. It's about 5 hours. We got here, it's now around 9 o'clock. So vamos.
The short hike, the long hike's huge.
Salchicho in a tin. Qué rico.
Salsicha en lata.
Chicharrón is like pork scratchings. What?
Salsicha en lata, se dice?
So we're starting the hike, we're doing the longer one.
We're doing a big
Longest
big
one.
thing.
Which takes
Maybe like 5 hours.
Yeah,
6 or 5.
How is everyone feeling before the hike?
Feeling good.
Feeling excited, to be fair.
Glad that Drew got us our coffee to energise us.
Espresso macchiato, macchiato.
Mi amore.
Yeah, I feel like it's going to be fine. I'm not scared.
No, I'm actually buzzing for it, to be fair. I haven't done a hike in a while.
And it looks beautiful.
Worst comes to worst, we just get a horse. Daddy sent for a horse. Daddy will give us a horse ride.
So you also have to pay 20,000 to start the hike, and you also need to pay another 20,000 to see the palm trees, which is like £4. 20,000 is around £4. So just bear that in mind. And the weather changes drastically, so it's good to bring a rain jacket. And to be honest, look at the clouds. You can tell that it's going to be a bit temperamental up here, y'all. It's like a nice British fish and chips. That trout, this region is famous for trout, and you can get fried trout here.
Hola.
Fuck a duck. So if you want to go on the easier route, you go to the left, but to do the harder one, you go right. We have to go right. Buon provecho. Morogaccio. Mozzie spray.
Get your Solomons on. The Solomons on.
Smells so cow-like. The trail is marked by a blue flag, una bandera azul. We can hear the sounds of water.
The fairies.
Yeah. It's a Tibetan prayer flag.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh, here, this side.
These are Tibetan prayer flags as well.
Wow, sweaty. Look at my sula.
¿Qué estás dando?
We're just getting started, mate.
So if you remember the trout farm we saw, that's there. So we've come quite a long way up, but we've still got a fair way to go.
Oh yeah, the trout.
Flaccos only in this section, and then we're in the selva. So it's getting exciting when I see how close the clouds are. Look. The astronauts are kicking in. Oh my goodness. Woo, we're in the clouds. We're in the clouds.
Can you hear me?
The clouds. The clouds are really coming in now. And the temperature is dropping. temperature's dropping. It's getting a bit cold, but to be honest, it feels nice because I'm sweating. You can do it, Gabby.
This is absolutely nuts.
It's getting really steep. Plátano.
Plátano.
It's just started to rain, but I'd say, do you think we're halfway through? I do.
I reckon we're at the halfway point.
It started to rain, so the jacket's come on. We're nearly there, guys. The summit is just up here. I'm feeling good. It's definitely getting colder. It's getting a bit harder to breathe, but tranquilo, está bien. The tree's looking lovely. Just need to give it a little abrazo. Te amo, amor. As you can see, we're getting a lot higher up, and it's getting rather rocky as we go further up to the top. How are you feeling, Gabby?
A bit tired.
Do you need a little rest? You can do it, we can do it. Vamos. It's a perfect chocolate bar to share.
With friends. With besties.
Cheers, my old fella.
Cheers.
I've got a fucking brandy there. Only old fucking coconuts.
Che drammatico ahora. And it's got fucking cold. I've got both my jumpers on now. My jumper and my jackets. Look at these clouds. It's raining. It's getting wet and steep now. We're about 15 minutes from the top. Woohoo! We made it.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Woohoo! Yay!
Whoa. That was hard.
It was fucking easy, fam. Jokes, it was really hard. You can't do this if you're a fatty or if you're unhealthy. You need to seriously You need to be in a good health condition to do this, right, Gabby?
Yeah.
So say there was a lady that said, I really want to do it, but I'm a little bit fat. What would you say?
I'd say you'd have to train beforehand.
Yep, get some training in.
Get on the treadmill inclines.
Yep. Tú necesitas practicar antes porque sí, es un poco difícil. Woohoo.
Dude, no, I need it vertical.
We got a professional jumper over here.
Ready? Wow.
And the vegetation.
Made it to the summit. Oh, it's going so well.
Shh, you're gonna ruin my shot, bro. Wow. Con cuidado. Because it's a little bit peligroso. Going back the way we came. To be honest, I think it's easier to go down than it is to go up.
Yeah, it's always.
I just made sculpture.
Boy. And you gotta watch out for those fairies and those leprechauns as well. This tree looks like something from the Bible. I need to hug it right now. Go for it, Liam. So we're making our descent and it's getting warm now, so I've taken off my jumper and my gaggle, and the clouds will just come through. So sometimes it's cloudy and sometimes it's just sunny. It's absolutely mad. What time is it now? What?
Don't think Dad is gonna.
Hola.
Hola. This is a lot more touristy than the mountain trail, but it is cute. So we've come at a time where the palm trees covered in clouds. It's still amazing, but yeah. It's at the main viewing point. Woohoo! Gabby, how do you feel after climbing the mountain?
Dead.
Was-
D-E-A-D.
Was it worth it?
It was worth it. But I feel fucked. My legs feel like sandbags. And I can barely lift this bit.
And Liam, how do you feel after climbing the mountain?
A little bit frobby.
Robin.
What's throbbing?
My shins. Grand, you know.
As you might be able to tell, I'm a little bit sunburned.
Yeah, well,
Very sunburned.
I'm looking like a pomodoro. But yeah, I'm really tired, I'm really hungry. I need to eat my trout and try to feel like a human again. Because right now, I'm very happy that we climbed the mountain, but I have no energy.
It's alright.
It'll be fine. There are no cameras. Yeah, leave the house. Leave the cameras. I know what it's like.
So we're having some Venezuelan food with the famous trout that is very famous in Salento. And some trout breads. Ooh la la. Hola chicos, so we're on the move again.
On the road again.
We're on the road again. So yeah, we're now getting a bus to Rio Sucio, which is around 2 hours away.
Yeah.
And then from there, we're going to be going to Jardin, which is another like 4 to 5 hours away. The bus tickets was 90,000. How much was that again?
So it's like 18 to 20 pounds, depending on the exchange rate.
So yeah, we just got to get on the bus, we got to make it through, and then before you know it, we're going to be in Jardin.
Yeah, 2 bus journeys,
We can do it.
a strong friendship.
Lots of laughs, lots of memories to make.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Already made some memories, ready to make some more.
Yeah, and we're not going to shout at each other or be mean to each other because right now we're all each other's got.
Exactly. Liam's not here anymore. Liam's gone.
Yeah. So we're going to stick together and we're going to get through it. So stay tuned.
Love hearts.
Charco Corazon with a cascada aquí.
He's a sleepy kitty. He's a gordo kitty.
Hello everyone. Hola chicos. So last night we arrived late and we arrived at our hostel which is called Charco Corazon.
Something like that.
And it is amazing. I think it's maybe one of the most beautiful hostels that I've ever stayed in because there's 2 waterfalls. The jungle here is amazing.
There's
It's
a
very
lake.
green. What do you think of it, Gabby?
I love it. You can hear the waterfall from the bedroom, which is really relaxing. It's very quiet. They have 4 dogs.
Yeah.
2 are really friendly, and they have 2 cats, which really they just let you stroke them. Yeah,
Lots of birds as well.
And I love birds.
There was 2 cockroaches as well.
Oh yeah, our favourite.
but I just killed them. And yeah, the people working there are really nice.
Really friendly, floor's really slippery.
And first impressions of Jardin is, I
Muy
mean,
bueno.
it's a cute town. It's very jungle vibes. It's very green. Would you say it's similar or different to Salento?
I don't know. You'll
We
have
don't
to
know.
ask
We need
me.
to figure it out.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a little explore now. So come along and join us. No, it's hot. This house is cool. You guys, this view looks absolutely bussin'. Oh my god. And that's not the only thing that's bussin'.
So this is a croissant called queso. It's a little bit dry. But it's so delicious, guys.
My coffee is really good. I feel like I'm quite
It's not dry.
yours.
And then I also got a guayaba pastry. Oh my god, this is amazing. Nah, this is so good. Gotta try that. I love that.
It's like a sweet sausage roll.
Very tasty.
Dando refrigerios y te acompañan a la cascada. Y a tomar la para que disfruten bastante. Y los van a llevar por todo.
Hola, chiquis.
There's a bunny.
¿Dónde?
Yeah.
Oh, he's cute. Mira. How are you finding the horse riding, Kevin?
Loving it.
You loving it?
Yeah, I feel like I'm a kid again.
And how are you finding our instructor?
She's a nice woman. She was a bit pushy just now. Trying to get us to pay for them.
She wanted us to pay to get these pictures in the heart, the sun, and all this shit. But the thing is we're not like normal tourists. We're better than that, you know? So we don't want to do the things that normal tourists
Exactly.
want to
Like
do.
if normal tourists do this, then we're not going to do it.
Exactly.
But if no tourist does it, then we will do it.
Then we will.
It's just the way we are.
Exactly. But look at the view though.
One is the size of my head.
How delicious is this?
I've not tried it yet. Please test on camera. Mmm, qué bonito.
Very cool. We got some new bags. It's an indigenous bag that takes 4 months to make. Gabby, where's your
You get
bag?
up.
Oh, she's got a water bottle in it.
All me bits.
But yeah, it takes 4 months to make these.
It takes just 1 week to unravel the. Well, it takes 3 days to wash the yarn. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
And then make it the fur into yarn.
Yeah, the sheep's fur, whatever
whatever it's called.
So yeah, very happy with our purchases.
And we're supporting the indigenous community.
Yeah, we're supporting.
Andrew got a new hat in case
I
you
got a
didn't
new hat,
notice.
y'all. Yeehaw.
And he looks so good.
Thanks, babes.
And we rode horses.
And we rode horses too.
We're so...
And
we're
we
loving it.
we loved riding the horses. We definitely recommend doing that here.
Yeah, to go see the mirador.
And how much did it cost? Like
125,000, so that's like 50, 100, it's like £22.
£22, but
And
it was
in-
worth it.
And in Argentina I paid 90 quid to ride a horse, so
Yeah.
come and
It's
do it in
worth
Colombia, it's cheaper.
In Jardin.
And the toss is lighting up.
Oh yeah, and there's a cross on the hill that lights up, and you can maybe not see it so well, maybe a tiny bit. But later that's going to be very bright, and it's all because of Jesus Christ. Hola chicos, we are now going to the waterfalls, but
Just one waterfall.
just one waterfall.
Actually I think there is two there maybe.
Okay, but we've decided to get tuk-tuks some of the way because we're a bit on the lazy side and we don't want to walk.
And also I think
Okay.
I think the walk there is half of the road, so
Yeah, and it was a 4-hour walk from Jardin, so we thought we'd like
go halfway there.
go halfway there and walk the rest.
And then maybe walk back.
So yeah, let's go guys. Vamos. Mira, Jardin is aquí. There is a bit of rain and a bit of a storm approaching. In the distance I can hear thunder. Gabby thought we'd be walking downhill, which to me is a bit crazy because we knew it would be a mountain. But how long to the waterfall? We got an hour to go. Although look, I think that's a waterfall.
That's another one. That's the second one I was saying.
Wow. That's pretty. There's a lot of waterfalls around here.
Yeah, look, Cascada La France.
La France?
That's what it's called.
Wow.
La France Cascada.
Très bien.
Vive la France.
Vive la
We've got
France.
any French viewers? This one's for you.
It's like the centipede.
That's so weird.